What if you could create a garden that did not disappear when the sun went down? Imagine stepping outside at night and seeing white flowers glowing in the moonlight, silver leaves lighting up dark corners, and sweet fragrance floating through the air. That is the magic of a moon garden. A moon garden is designed to look beautiful in the evening, using white blooms, pale foliage, silver leaves, and fragrant plants that stand out after sunset. And you do not need a huge yard to do this. Even one container, one walkway, or one small corner near a porch or patio can feel completely magical with the right plants. So today we are counting down 5 magical moon garden plants that glow at night. So let's grow by zone. Dusty Miller is going to be number 5 on the list, and this is one of the easiest ways to add a silvery glow to your garden. The foliage is the star of this plant. The leaves are silver gray, soft-looking, and almost frosted, which helps them reflect light beautifully in the evening. Most varieties grow about 6 to 18 inches tall and 8 to 18 inches wide. Use Dusty Miller along walkways, in containers, at the front of flower beds, or around darker plants where the silver color can really stand out. It is usually grown as an annual in most zones, but it can come back as a perennial in warmer areas, usually zones 8 through 10. For number 4, I would choose a white caladium variety like White Christmas, Moonlight, or Caladium because these leaves can brighten up the darkest corners of the garden. White caladiums have large heart-shaped leaves with white, cream, green, and sometimes soft pink markings. In evening light, that pale foliage can almost look like it is glowing. Most caladiums grow about 12 to 24 inches tall and 12 to 24 inches wide. Use them in containers, shady borders, under trees, beside a porch, or anywhere your garden needs brightness without relying on flowers. Caladiums are usually grown as annuals in most zones, but they can be perennial in zones 9 through 11. Coming in at number 3 is Casa Blanca Oriental Lily, and this one brings elegance, fragrance, and big glowing white blooms. The flowers are large, pure white, and dramatic, with a strong sweet floral fragrance that feels especially beautiful in the evening. Casa Blanca lilies usually grow about 3 to 4 feet tall and 1 to 2 feet wide. Use them near a porch, patio, walkway, seating area, or garden entrance where you can actually enjoy the scent and see the white blooms stand out at dusk. Casa Blanca lilies are perennial bulbs that usually grow best in USDA zones 4 through 9. Number 2 is white Nicotiana, also called flowering tobacco, and even though the name does not sound very romantic, the plant is beautiful in a night garden. The flowers are usually white, star-shaped, or trumpet-shaped, and many varieties have a sweet, floral, jasmine-like scent that gets stronger later in the day. Depending on the variety, Nicotiana can grow anywhere from 1 to 5 feet tall and about 1 to 2 feet wide. Use it near patios, decks, walkways, garden paths, or seating areas where the evening fragrance can drift through the space. Nicotiana is usually grown as an annual in most zones, though some types can act like short-lived perennials in warmer climates. And the number 1 plant for a magical moon garden has to be Moonflower Vine, because this plant was made for nighttime drama. Moonflower Vine produces large white trumpet-shaped flowers that open in the evening and can look like they are glowing after sunset. This vine grows fast and can reach 10 to 15 feet or more in one season when it has support. Moonflower Vine is usually grown as an annual in most zones, but it can be perennial in zones 10 and 11. One important note, moonflower seeds are toxic if eaten, so be careful around kids and pets. If you want your garden to feel beautiful after sunset, start with plants that bring light, fragrance, and softness to the evening. Even one small corner with white blooms or silver foliage can completely change the way your garden feels at night. If this helped, save this list and share it with a garden friend. And remember, here on Grow by Zone, we are growing plant by plant, zone by zone.